Forecast.
Another beautiful day, a lot of sunshine. Here's the shot this morning as the sun was coming up over the Blue Ridge, captured there by Warren Fault in Augusta County. Here's a nice shot of a hot air balloon landing, that captured by Jim Carpenter here in Albemarle. Beautiful day to be out there. Yes, warm, and this is the last full day of summer. 84, the current number at the airport, touching 87 this afternoon. Yesterday, we were actually a few degrees warmer than today. The humidity still remains low across the region. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, it's 82 degrees, made it up to a high of 85 this afternoon. Southerly winds here tonight, light in nature, will keep the temperatures elevated, so it won't be as cool as what we've awoke to the last couple of mornings. 82 right now in Madison. We've got 80 in Palmyra, 82 there in Livingston, 81 in Waynesboro, and 82 currently in Stanton. Temperatures here overnight then mid to upper 60s across the region. Skies are relatively clear now, but at least some partly cloudy skies will build in late tonight, certainly early tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow is a transition day. A cold front will be coming through about midday across the region. Prior to the front coming through, temperatures will still warm into the low and mid 80s. Now we do run the risk of a passing shower or storm. We're not looking at any widespread rain. A lot of locations will remain dry, but there'll be an opportunity, say, between 11 and 1 for a passing shower or storm across the region. Once the front clears, we will certainly feel the effects of the wind picking up. The winds will shift direction out of the northwest, and that'll be pulling in the much cooler air. And again, tomorrow, the greater chance of maybe isolated severe weather down across southeastern Virginia. So really not expecting any severe weather across our vicinity of the Commonwealth. But I mentioned those winds. They will be gusty out of the northwest. A lot of gusts will top easily over 20 miles an hour. Might want to consider maybe bringing in anything outdoors that you might get blown around. But the actual autumn equinox, the autumnal equinox, when the sun's rays are directly over the equator, will occur at 9:04 p.m. Eastern time. And again, that marking fall here in the northern hemisphere and, of course, spring in the southern hemisphere. Skies are clear now. We'll have a little bit more cloud cover built in this evening and tonight. There's a little broken line of showers and thunderstorms off to our west, moving down from the Great Lakes. And this is with the cold front. And then there's another surge of cooler air behind that. And there's going to be a big area of high pressure building down from Canada in our direction. This front and the overall configuration of the upper level winds will help take Fiona away from the eastern seaboard, but actually sling it up toward Atlantic Canada days to come. You can see that cooler air across the upper Midwest and northern plain states. That air mass is moving in our direction. Fiona, still a Category 4 hurricane, winds of 130 miles an hour, just over 600 miles southwest of Bermuda. So later tomorrow into Friday morning, it'll make its closest passage to the west of Bermuda, but still cause some damage. And then this thing accelerates up through eastern Canada as an extratropical system. Another wave needs to be monitored in the Windward Islands and Gaston, no threat to us. So temperatures in the morning will start in the 60s. By midday, there's that chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Then it's gone. The winds pick up, the cooler air fills in, and temperatures by early Friday morning in the mid 40s to low 50s. Friday's a beautiful day. First full day of fall, temperature only around 70. Tonight, partly cloudy and mild. We're in the 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as this autumn cold front kind of queued up for a nice arrival of the autumn season as we head into Friday and the start of this weekend. Those morning lows will be chilly down in the 40s, but some pleasant weather, maybe a passing shower on Sunday, Casey.
All right. Thank you so much, Eric.